This is the Max5 with the dual motor configuration, making it the Max5 Pro. Maxfind's newest entry-level electric skateboard. Super compact, super light, great design, powerful motors, great stopping power and super portable. This is the perfect last mile commuting device, and thanks to the rubber grip tape, it won't wreck your shoes, your apparel, your clothes, and it is a pleasure to handle it. Carrying and just gripping it is so nice thanks to this, and you can just throw it into your car. It won't scratch up anything. It's just a very friendly electric skateboard. So yeah, let's check it out in detail. In reviews on YouTube like this one, I usually say check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. And that is completely fine with a long format where we have pretty much unlimited time. But on Instagram or TikTok, where short format is king, I would say link in bio if you're interested, or just check bio or link in bio. You know, just a super fast delivery. And there are tons of link in bio services out there, but the free versions are always very limited or plain bad. But just a bio website, in other words, a collection of links, it is actually something really simple. So why pay for things that should virtually be free? It is just such a basic feature, so definitely don't overpay for that. Instead, check out the .bio domains from Porkbun. You can get one for less than $3. An absolute no-brainer, especially compared to paid link in bio services. And since it is actually so simple, you can go fully professional in no time. There are tons of free presets out there. Just copy the HTML, insert it, change the links. Perfect. Zero cost. So we could go for techmagnet.bio, for example. Short, sweet, easy. A .bio domain has so many benefits. Aside from the professional look, it is perfect to place it as the actual link in your bio on TikTok or Instagram. So in our case, we would put techmagnet.bio in there. It's short, it's simple, it's super easy to remember. That is exactly what you need, what you want. Your audience will know exactly what to expect from the website. And as I said, you can perfectly and easily customize it perfectly to your needs. Zero limitations, your data will not get stolen and exploited, and no unreasonable monthly payments. So if you want to upgrade your link in bio game, and if you want a professional and effective way to direct your audience through a specific link to other websites or services, then this is definitely the way to go. And if this rings your bells, then definitely get a .bio domain from Porkbun right now. Less than $3 with our exclusive discount code. Super cheap, and best of all the .bio domains come with free WHOIS privacy features, SSL certificates, and also web and mail hosting trials. So many services for free and much more for zero, for no additional payment. In the world of social media, connection is everything. If you can convert your audience, you can start making money. Lots of it actually, if you have a great service and a great looking bio website. And with a nice looking, short to the point .bio website, this will work even better. You can increase your click-through rate. So get your link in bio game up, check out Porkbun and get yourself a great looking and easy to remember .bio domain. Check it out right now, first link in the description, and make sure to use our exclusive discount code BIOTM to get your own .bio domain for less than $3. Only at porkbun.com, or just scan the QR code right here to get the exact same discount. Either way, it is a no-brainer, so big thanks to porkbun.com for sponsoring this video. Thanks for the great pricing and thanks for the great service. So check it out right now, porkbun.com, best bang for your buck if you want a .bio website. First link in the description. Got the new drip from Maxfind, the Max5 Pro. Dual motor electric skateboard. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have the box. We have this side right here with the board, and we have the other side with the slogan. So let's get in there. So here we have the board, nicely wrapped up. So here we have the board and also the box with the accessories. So let's get straight to it. On here we have the certificate. It is also wrapped. Let's remove that, and here we go. Nice box, and here we can already see all the things that are in there. So let's open it up. So we have the manual first of all, front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's it. Inside of the manual we also had these two cards right here. Then right here we of course have the remote. Beautiful remote, custom mold as we know it from all the other Maxfind boards already. We have the wheel up here, on off, and the selector switch and the display right here. Smooth to the touch, feels really nice, and of course with a strap for the wrist. We can just take this one out, and next we have the tool for adjusting the wheels and the trucks. Pretty sweet. We have a little white USB A to USB-C cable for charging the remote, cable for the brick, for the wall outlet, and of course the charge brick with the charge connector right here. And here you can see all the specs on the brick. And we also get this little wrench right here. So to recap, the charging brick, the remote, the tool, the cable, and the paperwork, and the little hex key. And now let's get to the board. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions, and then of course to a close overview. So first of all, we have this note right there. So let me show you. We have the safety instructions. Check it out right there. Important stuff. This on the back. And with that out of the way, let's check out the board. That is so cool. That's not a sandpaper. It's looking like sandpaper, but it's actually rubber grip as well. So this will not scratch up my fingers or my clothes or other apparel for that matter. And of course shoes. Battery and speed controller compartment. Really nice uni body. Really cool design. And the wheels are these poly rubber wheels, it seems like, with a dual hub motor on both sides. Really nice. Okay, so let's take a close look. So the backside with the hub motors, this is what they look like, really cool, and the little hex key will fit in here. Screws for the trucks, and also note the interesting design right there. Looks really cool. This is a truck right here with the branding, nice texture to it, golden screws and details, and the rubber in here is white, as you can see. Looks really cool, and it's also quite light. Great cable management as well. Cables for the hub motors, and this is what they look like from the inside. And next on the list would be the speed controller right here with the QR codes, and here on the side we have the on-off button, and of course the connector for charging it. And let's turn it off again, press and hold. There we go. This is what it looks like from the side. So quite a slim design. The backside also has this black matte texture to it. Great waterproof coating. Black on black logo right there. Looks really cool. It's actually a bit shiny. We have the matte ground and the shiny logo. And this is of course the battery compartment. And the other side looks very similar to the motor side, except no cables. We can see the design, the shape of the board. So this is the other side. And this is what the wheels look like. Nice wheels right there, here from the inside. And here's a close-up of the rubber grip tape. And as you can see, we have the white highlights going and also an arrow at the front marking the direction. Really nice. And that's what it looks like. It's bent upwards a little bit so that when you stand on it, it will get mostly flat. It looks really nice, and it's on the small side and it's very light. Great last mile device, to say the least. You can easily grab it, easily carry it. It's really light. I like it. And it's looking great. Not bad, right? So let's finally test it. So here we go. Let's turn on the remote, press and hold. There we go. The board is fully charged, and with this button we of course can switch through the gears. The first one with the weakest acceleration and the slowest speed, and the fourth one with max acceleration and max speed. So of course we will go gear number 4. So let's do it. Okay, brake test. Very well. Very well. Love it. It's a beautiful sunny day today, but it is really cold, so my hands are dying right now. Okay. Wow, a really nice day today. Great stopping power. And now let's get out the 360 cam. All right. Nice stable ride feeling. The board is definitely on the smaller side compared to the flagship lineup that I tested previously, but still nice handling. Great acceleration for the price point. And the board looks actually really nice. Check it out. Okay, and now let's go for a max speed test. I think we have a clear runway. Let's do it. God. Okay, that was a good 35 on the remote. Okay, one more time, then I will be a block of ice. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my goodness, it is so cold. Ah, my fingers. But the board is great. I love the remote. It feels and handles very nice. And it is just so light. Check this out. It is so light. Love the rubber grip tape. Transporting it is super easy. Perfect last mile device. Taking this on a train is no problem at all. When it gets to the size, right to my hip. So carrying it is also easy. And if you carry it like this, thanks to the rubber grip tape, you will not destroy your jacket or your apparel. It is amazing. The wheels are quite sticky, great rubber, and it also fits my elegant wardrobe. Lovely. So yeah, massive thumbs up from my side. This board is awesome. Great build quality, the design is simple and sweet, it is super light, compact and portable, and as always when it gets to the Maxfind boards, what I love the most about them is their amazing rubber grip tape. It's such a no-brainer and I absolutely love it. Sitting on it, riding barefoot, carrying it, placing it upside down anywhere, all of that is no issue at all with a non-abrasive grip tape. It is so nice. This is a great board concept all in all. And thanks to the dual motors, it also has decent acceleration and braking power. Oh, and it is of course also completely silent. The wheels are rather soft, they absorb shocks and bumps quite well, and they also add to the complete silence of the board. They just don't create noise because they're so soft. And of course the motors themselves also completely quiet. Love those hub motors, so yet another ninja board. And as I said, it is perfect for the last mile commute. I can recommend this board big times. And of course the Maxfind Max5 Pro is definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.